Hello everyone, now I will walk you through our tank application we have been developing. On this first page you'll see a ship select and we'll choose the midway. On our next page you'll be able to select our tank so we can see the selected ship, and then on our ship level we can see a diagram of the tanks that was included. Now clicking on the tank, we'll just start with tank floor. You can see in this particular tank, the one furthest away from the manway, we just inspected using visual. At the top you can see your damage level, the action required, in this case a strip and a recoat, and then clicking on the middle button we can see some of the metadata for the inspection, including setting new actions and setting a new damage level. If we click here in the video section, we can click different annotated sections to view different damage mechanisms. And we can also add new annotations whenever we pause the video for future reference. If you go in the photos section, you can see just some of the still photos that were captured. And we can also expand both the videos and the photos to full screen size. Now if we go back to the main ship level, we can look at tank 1, which was the first tank we entered and the one we also captured UT data. We can click on the video and by default it'll play at 3x speed, just giving the inspector a quick overview of the tank for a level 1 inspection. We can also slow down the playback speed if we want to view things a little slower. And once again, we can see photos of some of the corrosion we found. Looking to the right, we can see our data from the level 2 inspection. So here is the complete UT dataset we collected, mapped to 3D. So that red side you're looking at is the side by the manway where we entered. And if we zoom in, we can see a patch on the right side wall that is lower than the rest of the wall. By hovering over the points, we can see different thickness levels and their XYZ positions. Now if we click on our metadata again, we can actually click on the Gecko portal, which will drill down even deeper to this UT data. Now we can see the walls in 2D. Hovering over some of the images, we can see photos that the robot captured. And we can also see the relative position and the difference in thickness from nominal. Scrolling down to the bottom, we can see some of the metadata such as min thickness, average thickness, nominal thickness. And we can also see annotations to help us understand which walls we are looking at. We can filter different thickness levels to really drill down into where the damage is. And we can also toggle between different parts of the same asset. So in this case, the wall and the floor are separate. And here we can also drill down to see lower thickness levels within the floor. Thanks for watching. I hope that gave an overview of the technology that Gecko possesses, both hardware and software, that can help the Navy with their tank inspection needs.